Today I'm going to be looking at the Waggly Club subscription box. This is a monthly box that is $52 a month for your dog. It is full of treats such as toys or snacks for them. So let's have a look and see what we've got. So that's what it looks like when we open it up. And we get a little information. So I've got a dog and a puppy, so I've actually got this for my puppy, this box here. Told you a little bit about Waggly Club. It also does include free shipping with each box. So the first thing that I can see in there, we've got a Cozie. It's a squeaker there. I can hear my dog's already hearing it, wondering what it is. So that's really cute. They will love that one. Also in there we have a Ruff Play Toy. That's what that one looks like. So it's durable rubber, soft on teeth and gums, and designed for play. You've got a little shark in there. Next in the box is some Waggly snacks. This is a lamb crumble, which is good that it's made from 100% Australian lamb. And a natural treat. That's what they look like. I'm just going to get one out. These are nice and big ones. So nice sort of snacks. You could break them up into bits or whatever you really like to do. And then we also have some Crumble Waggly snacks. So definitely they will get eaten, I'm sure. So that's everything in the Waggly box for this month. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.